This is Jonathan with Landworks Landscapes, giving you a final view of our project here at the SFA Culinary Cafe. This is a few weeks after we finished installing the grass here by the sidewalk that connects the parking lot. SFA planted the trees, and there's a nice selection of either Little Jim or Little Bear magnolias, and I'm not sure what they have planted on through here, but we put in the retaining wall and the culvert to allow this area to drain. Looks like we need to do some more grading through here to get it to drain out well, but this will be a nice lined sidewalk as the trees grow in. We'll put the grass on the side here, and it's a nice entryway into the cafe. They did some more work, SFA did, in the circle drive here, took out some trees, left the bulbs there. That's a nice touch, and added some more some new trees through here. So this is going to be a really nice project for SFA, and still have some more work to do. It looks like they're still working over on that side there, but they've cleaned it up really nice, and I've heard good things about the cafe, so we're excited to be a part of this project. Keep us in mind for your landscaping and drainage needs. Landworks Landscapes, 936-615-6568.